Alright guys, today is the day. The nitrous kit showed up for Gunner. Got the cartridges there. Zip ties. Stickers. Instructions. There we go. Looks nice. Alright, I'm gonna get Gunner up on the operating table here. So what we're gonna do is pop this cover off. And all I'm gonna do, instead of go right into the little intake manifold, we're just gonna drill right into the plate on the carburetor there. So we'll just shoot directly in to the carb, and we'll just run the lines up. So that way we can have the button right here. So when we got the paddles engaged, we can just push the button and hit that deeper snow and go from there. All right, so we got the nitrous kit installed. Drilled right on through that plate, through the cover, put your hose through it, ran the hose all the way up, and got your push button there. That way when you got the So we'll do pass in the snow without the nitrous, and then we'll go ahead and do a pass in the snow with the nitrous button pressed and see how she does. Hopefully it doesn't blow up.